So, perfect blue skies, almost no wind, beautiful sunshine. These are indeed conditions for the beautiful game. The backdrop here, picturesque, idyllic. No doubt one of the best days of the footballing calendar, and has added to a really it's fantastic! What a wonderful goal! Some of the best managers I've played for insisted on starting games because you need to go on. And we've just seen a very important opening goal from an extremely talented individual who looks primed for more. He really does look at it. Absolutely thundered in. Keeper, no chance. Oh, the contact was fantastic. Right on the bootlaces, and it packed a lot of venom for what was a really potent strike. Well, that has certainly made things interesting. Kessier with a long pass. Pinged one through here. Van Basten! Oh, denied brilliantly. Van Basten is very sporting here to acknowledge the quality of the save. A lovely little footballing moment. Kessier looking to get on the end of this. It's broken loose. Yeah, that does look a foul. Referee's given a free kick. Yeah, well, they were exposed and vulnerable, and he knew he had to do something to prevent a goal then. Peter, the keeper knows that even if his wall is perfect, it doesn't serve as any... Messi! Goals without reply. It's 2-0. Well, that second goal has given them so much more command and confidence now, and they should be able to take it on from here and either add to their lead or close it out. Surely they'll manage one or the other. It's fantastic! And it's there! Hot knife through butter. They have done it again. That has brought the house down. What a wonderful hit. Technique generates the power in that situation. Once power is assured, any goalkeeper is up against it. Milan take a 3-goal lead and they are romping out of sight. Well, it's been an absolutely fabulous spell for them, and they're starting to look unstoppable. There could be more on the way. Questions were asked. He's given the answers. Good idea, just poorly executed. Gets away from his opponents. And they've been caught out here. Got got a sight of goal here. Oh, shooting chance! Oh, in for the follow-up! Oh, that is rather wayward. Pass needed to be better than that, and he knows it. Triol. Forward it goes. Lewandowski. Great football, shot and save.
Lewandowski controlled that with such ease and really ought to have followed it up with a goal.
Good save, he got a decent fist on that. Goes for goal! No messing about, just bludgeoned away. Hector Berry. And here's Bergkamp. Wan-Bissaka. Messi. Van Basten needed to come up with a better ball.
Clearly is miffed having made the run and not get picked out.
De Bruyne. De Bruyne goes looking. Morientes. More than... There's the end of the first half. Well, there's plenty that can be said about the last 45 minutes. But one thing that cannot be said is that it's goal. One-sided, yes, but with excitement.
This looks well and truly sewn up already, Peter, but please feel free to forget what I've just said, that there's a spectacular turnaround.
Milan very much in control here, 3 up and cruising. That gets things going for the second half. And it's played forward, cut out in the nick of time. He acknowledges that he should have come up with something better there.
Yeah, the idea was right, the delivery wasn't. They can revisit that further on.
Just brushed off the ball there. And it's Iniesta. He's got it, and he's got time. Tries to get it forward quickly. Lewandowski showed plenty of zest in getting to the ball, but couldn't quite sort it out. It's Cristiano Ronaldo! It's bounced out! The referee's awarded a free kick. Knew what was coming. That's a yellow card. Well, already game, set and match, or so it feels. Cristiano Ronaldo gets the better of his man. Who's ball? Who's going to get there? That's one way of trying to make things happen. There's a few who could follow that example. Over to the left. Going through. Messi is making a foray down the right. Kurzawa. And it's Bergkamp. And here's Lewandowski. Well positioned to make that interception. Kurzawa. Iniesta. It's a brilliant interception. Piqué drives it forward.
Well, decisiveness has deserted them, Peter. They need precision, and it's sadly absent.
He's got away. Keeper's ball. Iniesta. sorted that out. The assistant referee rightly gives him offside. There is some activity down on the touchline. It seems there's going to be a change. Two changes being made right now. The ball needed to be better there. It's a wasted chance. Hoists it high. Oh, well intercepted. Really alert to the danger. Now it's Cristiano Ronaldo. Ronaldo going full tilt down the left. Good challenge. He just stood firm. De Bruyne. That is that. Milan are irresistible here. Dominant, utterly ruthless. Only ever one result. Comfortable with.